Good morning. Breakfast in bed is the greatest sandwich in the world. 3 times in 3 days I've managed to eat this same sandwich. And I'm really sad to be leaving my Saida Souq hotel. It's been really superb having a place to stay right in the city. I should do more of this. There's another storm coming, so I want to get to Beirut before it hits tonight. This mosque is said to be one of the finest examples of Arabic religious architecture, but it's closed. This is Lebanon though, so some phone calls were made and the workmen allowed me in. I stopped briefly at the Phoenician site of Moon. I feel so close to Egypt right now. The coast road is not too bad at all. The highway's just there, so this road's pretty empty. Brilliant views, and the surface is not awful. I'm the only bike tourer in Lebanon right now, but there are a few tourists, one of which got robbed in the vicinity of Beirut airport just here 2 weeks ago, and he's still stuck in Lebanon, so I don't need that in my life right now. Wow, this sunset is incredible. I guess the smog helps. I'm on my way to my first Lebanese warm showers host. I think there's only 2 in Lebanon, and both of them live in Beirut. And it seems I'm going through a military checkpoint. I wonder how much trouble I'm in. Oops, sorry.